Hi, this is Baron from Ragic. Today we'll be building a very simple contacts database. Step 1. Creating a new sheet. Let's start by creating a new tab. You don't have to do this every single time you want to create a new database sheet, but tabs are a great way to classify the database sheets in our account. I'll name my tab Accounts, and my new sheet is going to be Contacts. Step 2. Designing a form. When I create my sheet, Ragic takes me to the design mode of my new sheet's form page. This is where I'll essentially create my contact information form. To create new fields, I'll simply start typing the field names I want, like first name, last name, company, email, and phone. Step 3. Saving the design. I'm saving the design of my form page and it's ready to use. Whenever I fill and save a form, it will be a new entry in my database. Step 4. Creating new entries. I can now fill up a contact form. I'll start by adding myself. Let's make another entry. Step 5. How is this a database? We can hit back to view our listing page, where all the entries saved in our database sheet will be listed in rows automatically. This means that I can have thousands of entries that will be listed out here, and when I embed the contacts form on my website or enter data through Ragic like I did just now, the form entries will be saved in my Ragic database sheet and displayed on the listing page over here. Step 6. Keep adding new entries. As you can see, when I create a new entry, it is listed out here. And you can change the design anytime like we just did to add new fields or change the formatting, which we'll be covering in one of the next tutorials.